here in Biscayne National Park. Pretty cool. They've cleaned this area out, and which was an area which was uninhabited. You couldn't come in here. And they've been working on cleaning this up. They've put sea grape and several other little plants, cleared up the natives, the exotics in the area, such as Brazilian pepper, Australian pine, seaside, poison sumac, seaside maho. And anyways, they've cleared it out right here, right next to the bay. This is literally next to Biscayne National Park and Homestead Bayfront Park, one of the areas that we come out to check and inspect. And the place looks really nice. I mean, I can't help to think how beautiful this place would be to camp. Really cool mound that was formed here many years ago. Well, in reality, it wasn't formed. It was dredged out of the channels that were here and put these mounds. And you can see riding my Specialized today, Epic. A little walk back here. Really cool. Who knows how many years of logs and bottles are been thrown back here. Got to come back to pick these up for during the cleanup. It's interesting because you look at something like this. Looks like a trail. Even this log, look at this log. You know, got some copper screws on them. Probably been around for a long time in this area. Really cool. See if we can go up the hill. It'd be cool if there was a bike trail that would lead into here. You know, go up the mountain, or the hill, I should say. Land crab holes. Very cool. Very cool. Come back down this with the bike. You can see the bike all the way down there. You can see how high it is. I mean, just epic. So cool. And you can see that it goes all the way back. But look at this. Beautiful view of Biscayne Bay. A lot of iguanas. It's pretty dense in there. Yeah, really didn't come prepared for this, so I'll have to come back another day. But just really cool. You can see all the way down there. Really cool, really neat. Lantana native. Really cool. Another side view here from the side. Of course, it's low tide right now. High tide, you probably couldn't get in here. I noticed some type of metal ball, wheel or something from the top. I'm curious. There it is. Yeah. Really crafty. Sometimes it's better to leave things just the way they are. Cool. Anyways, I figured I'd take you in this adventure. Something to definitely come back to. Make sure our areas were clean. And kind of a park inspection and check everything, how it looks and what needs to be done here. Pretty cool. Who knows, this might be the entrance to another entrance for the waterways. There'll be restaurants and all kinds of stuff around here. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. I'm saying that it's a possibility. Anyways, it was fun. It's probably 95 to 100 degrees out here, believe it or not. So we got to get going. I hope you enjoyed.